Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to compare Lendingclub loan offers versus credit cards. Now when you're in need of financing, deciding between a personal loan through Lendingclub or using a credit card can have a big impact on your long-term financial health. Understanding how to compare the two options is going to help you to choose the most cost-effective solution. Start by reviewing the interest rates. Lendingclub's personal loans typically offer fixed interest rates, meaning that your monthly payment amount stays the same throughout the life of the loan. Credit cards, however, often come with variable interest rates that change over time, and they tend to be higher than personal loan rates, especially if you carry a balance. Next, consider repayment structure. A Lendingclub loan is installment based. You make fixed payments over a set term until the balance is fully paid. For credit cards, by contrast, these are revolving credit lines. This means that you can borrow, repay, and borrow again, but minimum payments may stretch debts for years while accumulating high interest. Fees are another factor. Lendingclub loans may include an origination fee deducted from your funds upfront, while credit cards may have annual fees, late fees, or balance transfer fees. You want to compare the total cost and not just the interest. Finally, think about your financial habits. If you prefer predictable payments and a clear payoff date, a Lendingclub loan may be the better choice. If you value flexibility and can pay balances quickly, then a credit card may suit you. Analyzing both side by side ensures that you borrow wisely. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.